Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll show you how to connect Claude AI to Notion in 2026. So whether you're managing projects, organizing notes, creating documentation, or writing content, connecting Claude with Notion can help you work faster and stay more organized. By the end of this tutorial, you know how to connect Notion to Claude, grant access to the workspace, and start using your Notion pages directly inside of Claude. All right, so the first step we're going to be taking is quite simple. That is signing into Claude. So open your browser, go to Claude AI, and once you're here, sign in. If you log in, you'll be arrived and dropped on the dashboard. But if you do not have an account, please go ahead to use your email to create an account and then complete the verification process that follows. Now, after that, we're going to have to open up the connectors page. But before then, make sure you have a Notion account. You've created an account. If you haven't, go ahead and click on the login option and create one. All right, so heading back to Claude, all you need to do now here is to open the connectors page. You can click on the customize option just below code and artifacts. Click on customize, select connectors, click on the drop down that says add and click on browse connectors. So it's going to open up a list of connectors for you to search through. Basically, I'm going to explain what connectors are. It's a way for you to securely connect supported apps directly to your Claude workspace. That is what Claude Connectors is. Now, you can just do this using the customize and the connectors option. The other alternative would be to open up settings on Claude, find your profile, and then select connectors and locate Notion and then click on connect. But since we're here, just go ahead and use the search to type in Notion. So once you've typed in Notion, go ahead and click on Notion and then simply click on connect. You must have an account on Notion first. So if you do not have an account, please make sure to create one. All right, so click on the connect option here and it's going to open up in a new tab. All we need to do is enter our email address or continue with the login options that are provided, either a passkey, Google, Apple, or Microsoft. And if you do not have an account, just sign up. So it works the same way. I'm just going to show you what comes up next after I sign in with Google. All right, so this is what it looks like. Connect Notion MCP. Basically, you're granting Claude access to Notion. Through the Notion MCP, Claude will be able to respect your page and database access and permissions, take actions on your behalf based on your access level, search across connected apps that requires a Notion AI plan, and view the workspace users and their emails. So go ahead and click on continue here, and it's going to proceed to connect you to Notion on Claude. All right, and the connection has been made. You can see at the top right corner we are connected to Notion. All right, so after verifying and authorizing the connection, you should be able to see Notion in your list of connected apps. Just click on customize, click on connectors. All right, so once on this page, you can see the connection status. There's a check mark here, which means the connection has been successful. So you can click on Notion to find out things you can do, such as, downloading a Notion text attachment. You can always, allow this or pause it. And then if you scroll through, there should be an option to get page comments, get workspace teams, get users, inquiries, and there are options for write and delete tools. So you can create a Notion attachment. Right now, it's set to needs approval, but we can just switch it to always allow or blocked or custom. Whatever you want to do can be set up through this connectors page. All right, so we're just going to click on the back here and head into the chat. So what we're going to be doing now is using Notion inside of Claude. Now that everything is connected, you can start using your Notion workspace directly inside Claude. How does that work? Just start a new chat first by clicking on new chat and entering a prompt. So something like summarize my meeting notes from Notion, or find my project plan for the meetings, or create a task list based on my meeting notes. Or you could just simply ask something like turn my notes into a blog post. So let's go ahead and enter that. Turn my Notion notes into a blog post and go ahead and hit enter. Claude will now search the pages you've shared and use that information to answer your question or generate new topics. So, as you can see, it's searching through the available tools. So, given the topics you've been working on, I'm not sure which notes you mean. Let me check what's in your Notion workspace. So, you can see it's currently working with the Notion workspace and it didn't find anything that matches a specific set of notes meant for a blog post. So, we can just simply, reiterate or just write a different prompt. And then you can also manage the Notion access as we just did earlier. If you ever want to change what Claude can access, you can head back into the connectors page using the customize to do that. All right, so what are the best ways to use Claude with Notion? So, connecting Claude with Notion opens a wide range of productivity workflows. For example, you can use Claude to summarize your meeting notes, brainstorm new ideas, write a blog post from research, organize project documentations, create task lists, and draft reports. The best practices or the best ways to take advantage of Claude's connections with your Notion would be only sharing the pages Claude needs to access, keeping your Notion workspace organized, and reviewing AI generated responses before using them, and then updating your permissions whenever the workspace changes. All right, guys, and that's how to use and connect Notion to Claude. Once connected, Claude can help you search your notes, summarize documents, organize projects, and generate content using information from your Notion workspace, making it easier to stay productive and organized. So, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.